Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome to The Thread. I am organizational and talent development practitioner, speaker, and author of the book, The Thread, From Imperfect Steps to God Ordained Purpose, Dr. Leonie H. Mattison. Welcome. I welcome you into this beautiful brand new day and pray that you, my friends, receive many blessings. Are you feeling knocked down by life? Are you looking for help to rise so you can live intentionally? Well, I've got something for you. I've written the thread for you to help you to release yourself from the guilt, shame, and sorrow placed upon you by events you never created. Discover the thread and learn how you can transform your life to live in true freedom, true happiness, and closeness with God. Head on over to my website, www.leoniemattison.com, and pre-order your copy of The Thread today. My friends, you can sew a better tapestry for your life with The Thread. Discover this book and begin to live the life that you were created to live. Head on over to my website, leoniemattison.com, and pre-order your copy of The Thread today. And while you're at it, and as a thank you to you, I've made the first chapter available for your reading pleasure. So go ahead, pre-order your copy of The Thread and download your free offer today. All I ask is that you offer your insight and review on Amazon.com. Pre-order your copy of The Thread today and begin to live true happiness, true freedom, and a close relationship with God. My friends, God transforms imperfect steps into ordained purpose. I'm a living testament of that story, and I'd like you also to have a better next chapter. Discover the thread and begin to live the life that you were created to live.